Hello and welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to turn off notifications in Doomsday Last Survivors. If you're tired of constant notifications from Doomsday Last Survivors interrupting your day or gaming experience, then I'll show you a step-by-step method to turn off notifications so you can enjoy the game without distractions. So first things first, launch open the Doomsday Last Survivors game on your device, which can be your Android or iOS devices, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner of the screen. You'll then come across this Commander Info section where you'll need to tap on Settings at the bottom left. Inside the Settings menu, you will see the Customized Settings button. Tap on it, and under Customized Settings, scroll all the way down and you'll see the Notification option. Tap on the Gear button right next to the Notification tab, and on the next page, go ahead and turn off any specific notification you don't want to receive in the game. If you don't want to receive any notification of any sort, you can go ahead and turn off all the buttons over here on the screen. But if you'd like to receive some kind of notifications, then find the type and toggle on the button and leave it checked. That is how you can easily turn on and off notifications in Doomsday Last Survivors. You can also turn off the notification from the app using your device's system menu. Go open up the Settings application from your device, and inside Settings, look for Apps and tap on it. Under Apps, you will be able to see a list of applications that is installed on your device. Select Doomsday from it. Now, under the App Info section, tap on Notifications and then toggle off the button right next to Show Notification. So once you do that, you will not receive any notifications from Doomsday Last Survivors application. So there you have it. That is how you can easily turn off notification setting for Doomsday Last Survivors. Now you can enjoy playing the game without interruptions or stay focused on other tasks without constant pop-ups. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.